Along with that first aid kit being a preventative, the second thing that I consider a preventative is my land navigation kit, right? This allows me to read maps, plot my location, plot a way out, and get myself out of that situation rather than stick around rubbing sticks together and eating weeds. I like to keep everything organized, so I have it inside this organizer notebook cover. My nav kit starts with a compass. I particularly like the mirror compass. This is my preference. It has adjustable declination. It has a mirror. I can use that mirror for a lot of other things. Another reason I prefer a mirror compass is because that mirror is actually part of my signal kit. This is an active daytime signal. So this is part of my signal kit, making it much more useful. Then of course I need a protractor to be able to plot grids on the map, as well as determine distances, determine azimuths, all that I can do with this tool right here. Pace beads. These pace beads allow me to keep track of distances traveled. That's a critical piece. Waterproof notebook. I prefer this particular notebook because it doesn't have a metal binding on it that's going to interfere with your compass. A lot of students I see like to keep their route plan in here, and they'll put their compass right on top of this as they're navigating, and they don't notice the whole time that that metal binding over here is affecting the needle on their compass. So I prefer this one. And of course the mechanical pencils I prefer over pens because you can erase any mistakes you make. Plus these are a lot more precise. What I like about this particular one over the other mechanical pencils is the metal parts in this are actually brass and they're non-metallic. Again, going back to interfering with your compass. The only thing that's metallic in this is this little clip, and you can just pop that clip right off if you're concerned about that. And of course, last but not least is a map of the area you're going to be in. For my students, when they come to a course, we're going to issue them a map of that area. That's what they're going to use to learn map reading and land navigation. So make sure that's in your kit.